All right. So first you'll need Fun-Diggity Funnel-Cake mix. You're gonna need any toppings of your choice, whatever you desire. You're gonna need a Swifter. You're also gonna need some tongs so that we can flip the funnel cake so that it's golden brown on both sides. A bowl of your choice, a whisk to whisk the funnel cake mix. And there are 3 different ways that you can achieve perfect funnel cakes. The first is by using a funnel. So one of these funnels is the perfect and ideal way to help you draw that funnel cake. And we're gonna get to that process next. Or you can use a squeeze bottle, and this will allow you also to draw and control the mix as it comes out. And lastly, you're gonna need something for water. Our mix is a complete mix, so all you'll need is water to add to the batter. So each bag makes 8 to 10 funnel cakes. So you are welcome to use as little or as much as you want. Today, I'm only gonna use enough just for 1 or 2 funnel cakes. We're not gonna go overboard, and we're just gonna seal the bag back together and save the rest for later. This will give me about 1 to 2 funnel cakes, maybe even 3, depending on how, generous we are. So next step, I'm gonna grab some water. And what I like to say is less is always more, right? We can always add to the batter, but we can't take away. So you wanna gradually pour the water and whisk little by little. We're going for a consistency that is smooth. Normally for 1 to 2 funnel cakes, you can use 1/3 cup of funnel cake mix to 1 cup of water. Here, I'm just eyeballing it because, I've mastered funnel cakes at this point, and you will too. So this is the consistency that we want. We want it to be smooth, but not runny. No bubbles, no lumps, because what the funnel is gonna act as is it's basically gonna act as a pen or a marker. You are a funnel cake artist right now, so you're gonna use this to draw the funnel cake. And I have a really cool technique to show you. We're gonna start to preheat our stove. So as you guys can see, I'm going for a personal size funnel cake today, no sharing. So I'm using a smaller pan. That way the funnel cake will come out this size. What you're gonna notice is that when we go out to the pop-up shop, I'm gonna be using all this fancy equipment. We're getting ready to make a heart-shaped funnel cake, an Oreo lover for our customer. But you really don't need that when you're making a funnel cake at home. The size of your pan will dictate how big or how small your funnel cake will be. We're gonna take our vegetable oil, and you wanna use about a cup of oil. You really just want enough oil in the pan so that the funnel cake can float. And you want your fire to be about medium high. That's about good. You wanna pour the mix into the funnel with your finger on the bottom. You don't need much. As you can see, the mix is smooth, but not runny. Just gonna come over to the oil, and we're gonna use our easy 3-step process. Step 1, draw a star, a circle, and fill in the gaps. As you can see, the funnel cake mix is starting to spread as wide as the skillet you use, so keep that in mind. And as you can see, it's already starting to brown. So really quickly, we're gonna go ahead and flip that over. And it's gonna form these little ringlets. What I like to say is that funnel cakes are all unique. They'll never all look the same. It's like a snowflake, each one made with love. You wanna shake off some of that oil, plate it, and now it's time to get fun-diggity with all of the toppings. My favorite part. This part gets a little messy. We love it. We're gonna add some powdered sugar, and we're just gonna drizzle it because presentation is key. You wanna feel like you just came from the fair or that the fair came home to you. So we always start with the fruit on the first layer. As much as you like, that is the beauty of making a funnel cake at home. No one is gonna tell you how much you can or cannot have. And lastly, we're gonna add some whipped cream. And there you go. You have a hot and fresh funnel cake in under 10 minutes. And the kids love chocolate, so I thought, let's add a little chocolate drizzle to this funnel cake to top it off. And this is how you have a fun-diggity day.